Epilogue by Robert Browning. Read for LibriVox.org. At the midnight in the silence of the sleep time, when you set your fancies free, will they pass to where, by death fools think, imprisoned, low he lies, who once so loved you, whom you loved so? Pity me. Oh, to love so, be so loved, yet so mistaken! What had I on earth to do with the slothful, with the mawkish, the unmanly? Like the aimless, helpless, hopeless did I drivel, being who? One who never turned his back but marched breast forward, never doubted clouds would break, never dreamed though right were worsted, wrong would triumph. Held we fall to rise, are baffled to fight better, sleep to wake. No, at noonday in the bustle of man's work time, greet the unseen with a cheer. Bid him forward, breast and back as either should be. Strive and thrive, cry speed, fight on, fair ever, there as here. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.